How to fix VFS account login not working. Experiencing login issues with a VFS global account can be frustrating. So here are some steps to help resolve common problems. So let's get started. First of all, go to the home screen and tap on the settings app available there. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Once you tap on the general, scroll down and tap on the VPN option available there and disconnect from any VPN services as they might cause issues with access. Ensure all browsers and tabs are closed before trying to log in. Now, again, if you have made multiple unsuccessful login attempts, then your access might be temporarily restricted. Also, wait for about an hour before trying again. Also, make sure that you have entered the proper email address and password. Double check that you are entering the correct email address or password and ensure that there are no cap lock keys turned on and there are no extra spaces on your words. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.